Hi boo-boos, long time no see. So today's video is actually super fun for me because I've never done a video like this before. I've done lookbooks, but I've never done a video like this where I'm kind of talking through my thought process. So before we jump into that, this is a sponsored video. This video is sponsored by Direct Energy. Direct Energy is an electricity company that services areas in Massachusetts, Ohio, and Illinois. And right now they have a promotion where they are offering 2 years fixed rate on your electricity bill, honey. If you saw my video a couple of weeks ago about how I'm reclaiming my time, one of the things I talked about is finances. So I'm looking up couponing, honey, and when Direct Energy contacted me about this video and their offerings and the fact that they service here where I am in Massachusetts, I'm all for it, which is particularly important when you live in climates such as the Northeast, such as in Illinois, such as in Ohio, where you get all the seasons and your heating bill can be crazy, but also if you're electric heating, but also for the summer months, particularly the AC. Right now today, it is super duper hot. Alexa, what's the temperature today?
Right now, it's 83 degrees. Tonight, expect a low of 72 degrees.
It feels like 1,000 degrees. So that's our girl Alexa. So now what you get when you sign up with Direct Energy is an Amazon Echo Dot, which is what you just heard me ask, what the temperature is today. What's cool about the Amazon Echo, in addition to its ability to do all types of funky stuff, like she can turn off the lights. If you have smart lights, she can tell you what the temperature is. She can play music. She can pay your bill. She can pay your she can order stuff for you off of Amazon Prime, honey. You can reorder stuff. You can pay your Direct Energy bill. You can find out what your usage is for the month. Alexa, ask Direct Energy what I owe this month.
You currently have a zero balance. You can find all your bill details using the online account manager tool at directenergy.com.
Alexa can do a lot. She's super fun. And I particularly use her when we're talking about the fashions, honey, because I like to know what the temperature is so I can dress accordingly. So one of the things that I've been using Alexa for lately is helping me when it comes to picking out weather appropriate wear that is comfortable, that is affordable, but also is going to keep me cool, right? Because my whole thing about my style right now is really, first of all, dressing my age, relatively, you know that, don't crack. Dressing my age, but also picking pieces that are classic, but can be made to be trendy. And so I'm going to keep it for a long time. Right now I'm into dresses a lot. Like I have some matching sets, but I also really like long skirts or mid-length skirts and mid-length dresses. So some of these looks that I'm going to be showing you are all sort of encompassing my new lease on life, keeping me on trend and comfortable. So let's look at the first outfit, right? So the first outfit is super, super cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it already. It is a, what's called a keyhole or a peekaboo dress, I believe it's called. And so it's has a very classic silhouette. No doubt you would have seen a dress like this in the 50s and the 60s, but except it adds the more modern twist of the little hole in the middle of the dress. I like that because it gives you a little bit of sex appeal, but you're still relatively conservative, which tends to be more my style these days. I'm not huge on, I mean, I don't want to say never to anything, because if I'm feeling something, I'm going to rock it. But for the most part, I tend to gravitate more towards the conservative side of my clothes. Even if I'm showing some belly, I'll still always pair it with something that's like more classic or a longer silhouette, like a longer skirt or really high waist jeans, that sort of thing. So with this dress, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's actually by a local company. It's a new startup here in the Boston area. So I picked up a few things from that collection. So I'll put links below to everything where you can buy anything. I paired it with the picnic basket purse that everyone's wearing. I actually have this purse in like 4 colors now. I absolutely love it. Super cute. Also got that on Amazon. Shoes also from Amazon. I'll put links to everything down below, right below the sign up page for Direct Energy. So the next outfit is this super cute matching set. If you've seen, again, you probably have seen it already on Instagram, but you haven't seen it here in video. It is a two-piece set. Here's what I did with this top though. The top is actually, like the set is designed to have the bow in the front, but I put it around the back, just changing the look and the feel of it. It's a two-piece set. You don't have to get both pieces. I have both pieces. And what's cool about it is you can mix and match, of course. So I like that I'm able to take these pieces that are weather appropriate now, but I can also bring them into some of the cooler months in like the fall months here in the Northeast. Super cute, super on trend, showing again a little bit of skin, but still relatively conservative, funky, trendy, classic, all in one. And yes, I'm wearing with this outfit, clear heels, right? Who would ever thought that clear heels would be okay for us regular girls? But I think they're cute, and honestly, these ones are a little bit on the trendy side, so we don't spend money on these. These were a really cheap buy, again, on Amazon. That's my spot, honey. The next outfit I'm going to show you, again, keeping it very on trend, classic though, and cool, so you can feel covered up but still weather appropriate, right? So the top is this wrap top showing just a little bit of skin on the side, but still super duper cute with some white culottes. And culottes, honey, I've been rocking culottes since 2005, okay? So these joints for me are just never going out of style. You can call them culottes, you can call them gaucho pants, you can call them high waist, bell bottom, whatever. But you get the feel of them. And I feel like for me they're classic, paired with that very light, almost linen feel of that shirt. Little bit of skin. It's a one shoulder. It's just something about it, right? Paired with our heels yet again. Super duper cute. Next outfit is, now this one is a white linen top paired with a mid-length skirt, and we got our lace-up heels. The heels, Amazon, the top, where's this, H&M. The skirt, again, from this local boutique here, online boutique based here in Boston called Love Enon. Super duper cute. We can remix, and this actually is a set too. The top, I didn't wear it with the top, but I'm gonna rock them together in an outfit so you can see sort of the versatility of these pieces. Again, very light, but you're still covered up. You're still on trend. You still look like a classy, you know, throw on some big glasses, honey. Can't nobody tell you nothing. Woo! But I hope by looking at these pieces and how I've sort of put them together, it gives you the sense of sort of how you can pair things and still be on trend, but still somehow incorporate really classic pieces that you're gonna wear over and over again. So you're not, like I used to be, and I still like my Forever 21, honey. I still like my H&M, but when you're shopping at those places a lot, you're throwing money out the window constantly. And with us trying to reclaim our time, saving money on our energy, saving money on our clothes, anywhere we can save, honey, we trying to save. And so I hope this was helpful for you in terms of thinking of my thought process. I will also give you a tip. I have worked with stylists before here locally in the Boston area. Working with stylists has really, really helped me to rethink the way that I pair my clothes and how I select pieces. One of the stylists I'm working with is actually, I'm going to be going with her, well, not working with, but I'm going to be going on a thrifting trip with her because she's introduced me to thrifting. Another way we're going to be saving our coins, girl. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Links below to everything I discussed in this video in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think.